Hey guys, how's it going? Onionmanhd here, and today we'll be taking a look at another soundbar by the company Monster. I'm going to be putting this one in my home theater that I'm building, so yeah, come along for the ride and let's take a look. The sound bar here. It's really big. I'll see if I can zoom out actually so you can see it better. A little farther. It's really big. There's this sound bar thing on top here and then subwoofer on the bottom. Now, I think the sound bar itself, see you guys back in a little bit. Sound bar itself is basically the same. There's a little bit of a design that's a little bit different on it, but for the most part, it looks the same, but it has a subwoofer, so I'm hoping it's going to give a little better bass than the other one. There's actually nothing wrong with the other one, but that one I have in my bedroom with my TV in my bedroom. So, and the one I had previous with my TV in my living room before I got a projector wasn't quite putting out the sound I wanted it to. So then I decided to go see what this thing can do. Okay guys, so this is the sound bar here. It's in the box here. And then you have the subwoofer in that styrofoam there. So I'll see if I can pull this out here with one hand. From the looks of it, this sound bar actually already looks way bigger than the other one. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I kind of want to make it look a little bigger because my screen is so much bigger now in my home theater, so it might look better. I'm going to just pull this out of the box myself, and then I will show it to you guys once it's out of the box here. First things first, we got instruction manual, got some AV cables in case that's what you're using to hook us up. You got an auxiliary cable in here as well as a remote as well. Looks like the remote is basically the same as my other one. It might be slightly bigger, but other than that, it's basically the same. The sound bar, pull that out first. Looks like we got some tape to cut. Here's the sound bar. Yeah, it is definitely bigger. I think the length is basically the same, but the thickness this way is quite a bit thicker. It also has a bit of a different design. Let's pull it out of the plastic here. It looks like on the sides here it has these little rings around the edges for the light to shine through as well, for the RGB stuff. So that's an added thing. It also has the one on the bottom, same as the other. It has all the controls on the side, like the other one as well. So all that's basically the same. On the back, pretty sure these inputs are all the same as well. You got your optical in, you got a USB. Actually, USB might be new. Then you have your line in with your left and right speakers if you're adding extra speakers or something to this on the side. You have your audio aux in, and then your power. And it is wall mountable, just like the other one. I actually have mine on 2 screws, just like this one could do as well. So that's cool. I do like the more square design of this one than the other one. The other one's a little more round. And the notch inside here is a lot deeper, so your cables can sit in there properly without pushing against the wall, which is nice. So that's the sound bar. Now, we got some other hardware stuff here. And then this little leg thing here. Looks like a power adapter. So you get your power adapter. And then What is this? Another power adapter? One second here. So this is the sub. Okay, so it looks like the sub has LEDs as well. It has that same thing on the edges of the soundbar. It goes around the edge on top here all the way around. You have your Monster logo in the front here. It has 4 legs, so it can sit nicely on the floor. It is, oh, you know what? I know. A second power adapter is for the subwoofer. That makes sense. Okay, so yeah, you have your sub on the bottom. That's where you get the bass and stuff. And you got the hole in the back. And then the back you have a standby mode, a power indicator, and 24 volt DC output. That's where the other one for the power goes, for the power cord. It is a wireless sub. I think I said that already. So yeah, it's a nice size. It's nice and square. You can put it anywhere you want because it's wireless, within reason. So yeah, guys, that is the Monster soundbar. I will find some links for this. I will put it in the description. I got mine from Walmart. I don't know if you can find it anywhere else. Maybe. I had a hard time finding it on their website when I was wanting to buy it. So I just went to my local Walmart. They had it. So yeah, if anything, I'll just have it on Walmart. I'll have Walmart's website down there. You guys can check it out. If you like this video, hit that like button. Also subscribe to the channel for more tech and gaming content just like this. And as always, I will see you guys soon.